Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mrs. Messy Bun. In this video, I am going to share you my skincare routine products. With a further delay, come on, let's get into the video. First start, I show you all my products or whatever I am using. I will tell about my skin. Actually, after my second pregnancy, my skin started like very flaky. Already my skin is a very dry skin and it started flaking. Maybe it's because of weather too. In winters it's like becoming very dry. So what I thought is I just pushed away all my regular products and started with new products, like everything. I went inside like Korean beauty. You won't believe me, my mother was telling me, why you are using so much products, why do you use these things, it will affect your face. But I don't know, I was like, whenever I touch my skin, it was like touching a snake scale skin something. So what I did is I stopped everything what I was using, and I started with a new set of products, and these things I am using it for nearly 2 years, and it has changed my skin like anything. More than like, I'm not into skin whitening or something. I want my skin to be I want my skin to be like even toned and bright. So come on, I'll show you the first thing. So we know that we all know in skincare, like cleansing, exfoliating, toning and moisturizing. So I just use like simple steps, but everything with new products. First, let's start with cleansing. Because my skin is dry, I started using Cetaphil. It's a soap-free cleanser. It doesn't have much of like soapy, like foam thing. So I'll just use my face scrub for this, and first spread it all over. I am a little lazy, so I only use this. So now I'm going to start with my... This doesn't rotate actually. It's a silicone brush, it doesn't rotate. I have used like the bristles one. It damaged my skin, so I just started silicone. It has two types of vibrating mode. This one is light, and another one next stage is very fast. So you can see that there is no foam in there. I can show this in standing in the restroom, but I don't know, the exhaust and the light are combined, so whenever I switch on the light, it will be like zzz. It's so noisy. So I just scrub like this. Now I'll go wash my face and come. So just pat dry your skin, don't rub it. So now the second thing, exfoliating. I'm using APL K Beauty Natural Gourmet Peeling Gel. It's a peeling exfoliate. It doesn't have like that like powdery thing or something like it's there in the walnut or any other scrub, right? It doesn't have that. It's a creamy texture, so when you apply in your skin, and keep circulating. The dead cells in your face will keep coming off like a thread or something. I really don't like this smell, but if you bear the smell, this is an excellent exfoliator, and it can be used for all skin types. It's not focusing, right? I'll give all the product links in the description box. So I'm just using this much. So you can see the dead cells coming out. The thing about this exfoliator is if you apply for wash it off and apply for the second time, no, you can't see these things because it's already taken all the dead cells, so it will not come out actually. I use this exfoliator once in 2 weeks. So or whenever I see my skin like flaking out, I'll use this. So
battle bush in 3.
Quite okay. So I'll wash it off and come. So let's go with the third one. I pat dried my face. The third one is toning. The toners that didn't work. Only alcohol-free toners work for me, because whenever I use a toner, it like pulled my skin. It dried my skin very much because already mine is a dry skin.
Not again.
So I searched and I started using this white in milk toner. It's basically a milk toner. If you really don't need to buy milk toner, you can just directly use a milk. Just add milk with some rose water, make it as an ice cube and rub it along your face. That will also do good. So I'm going to use this toner. This toner actually really worked for my pimple. Once in a while, I don't know, last year I am not an acne skin, but recently I started getting sometimes like 1 or 2 times. So, but this really faded my pimple, and this is again, it's a new one and it's gone, but it's fading away because this toner really helped it. I use generous amount. So that's like anything. Okay. Just leave it for 5-10 seconds, so it will all absorb your skin.
I will help it.
So after this, I will apply moisturizer. Mostly like AM and PM, the same products, like the same cleanser and toner. Only once in 2 weeks I use this scrub. Otherwise my skincare will be like just cleansing, toning and moisturizing. That's all, guys. So for the moisturizer, I am using Neutrogena Dry Touch Sunscreen. Morning I'll use this. In the night I'll show you the thing. That's my holy grail.
Not.
So I have applied moisturizer and I'll go with the lip balm. This is my simple skincare routine. For PM, the only thing is I go with Egyptian Magic. It's nothing but like Vaseline petroleum jelly. You can see. It contains ingredients. I forgot. The ingredients in this is olive oil, beeswax, honey, bee pollen, propolis, and royal jelly. These I don't know. I saw the review. It's like 5 out of 5 in Amazon.com. So I saw it's on sale in Costco. So I bought this. This is a bigger one, and there is one more smaller one and a travel size small one that's in my handbag. So this is my PM moisturizer, night moisturizer. This can be used like hand, or if you have a insect bite, you can apply on the insect bite. You can literally use it on anything. So this is my night cream. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to give me a comment. See you all in the next video. Bye.